Basically, when we talk about electrodynamic loudspeaker, so in that to provide very strong magnetic field for high voltage speaker, electromagnet is used instead of permanent magnet. So in previous session, we have already seen moving coil loudspeaker where we were been using permanent magnet in that. But by having permanent magnet, we were been able to handle power from few millivoltage to 25 voltage to 25 voltage only. So we have only handled few millivolt to 25 volt of power, but by having this electromagnet we can have higher power handling capacity. So we use electromagnet instead of permanent magnet in electromagnet loudspeaker, or one can say electrodynamic loudspeaker. So the working principle that is same as permanent magnet loudspeaker, but the basic difference is we use electromagnet instead of permanent magnet. So the loudspeaker of more than 25 volt to few hundreds of volt are there with electrodynamic type of loudspeaker. So this is the basic which is there with electrodynamic loudspeaker. And strong magnetic field that is been produced by electromagnet, where if you see the structure of electromagnet, then that is what we are having by having winding which we have on the core, and we give strong signal to the winding which is wrapped on the core, and based on that it will be generating strong magnetic field. We will see the shape of it in its structure, where you will be finding south pole that is there at center and north pole that is there in periphery, and we will be winding core on that. We will be winding coil on that core, and based on that it will generate strong magnetic field. So let us see the structure first so it will be more clear. So as if you see the structure of electromagnet loudspeaker, so in that we have electromagnet. Now you can see the structure that is not magnet right now, it is just a core. So this is what shape of electromagnet core, where on that electromagnetic core if we wrap field coil and if we give strong signal to field coil, then this pole will act as N pole, this is even acting as a N pole, and this will be S pole, and in this region there will be strong magnetic field, and that will happen from N pole to S pole. So in this space there will be strong magnetic field, and that strong magnetic field that we will utilize it as a loudspeaker. You can see that step by step how it will happen. So here we connect moving coil. So moving coil is over here, and to this moving coil we will be giving audio electrical signal. So based on signal there will be certain amount of current that will flow through this coil, and based on that current passing through this coil, force will act on this coil, and the value of that force, that F is equals to BIL, where B is magnetic field which is happening because of this electromagnet, I that is current passing through this moving coil, and L that is length of this coil. So here there will be higher force compared to permanent magnet. Why? The reason is magnetic field strength that is far higher than the magnetic field which is there with permanent magnet. So here strong force is generated, and that strong force that we apply it to this diaphragm. So this diaphragm that is connected to this coil, and based on signal changes in this moving coil there will be force on this coil, and that force that we are applying it to this diaphragm, so this diaphragm will get vibrate like this, and based on that vibration we will translate that vibration into acoustical signal. So the frequency and signal of this moving coil will get translated into force signal on this diaphragm, and that force on that diaphragm will vibrate like this, and that will generate sound signal. Now you can see the support which we are connecting over here and the cone that we connected with diaphragm. This diaphragm that is basically made up of aluminium foil and this cone basically made up of paper cone. So diaphragm and cone both will vibrate together and this combination is generating sound signal, and this vibration that is happening because of here cone suspension is there. So this cone suspension that will be providing vibrationally motion like this, and that vibrationally motion that is generating sound wave. Now see what will be that force on this. So that force F is equals to BIL, where B is strong magnetic field generated by this electromagnet, and that electromagnet is generating magnetic field based on coil wrapped on this core. So that magnetic field strength that is based on what strong signal which we give it to this field coil, and as the field coil is generating magnetic field over here, it will be resulting force on this moving coil, and that force will vibrate this diaphragm and cone in this direction, and through and fro motion of this diaphragm and cone will happen, and that will generate sound in this direction. So this is how basic structure is there with electromagnet loudspeaker. Now see the working. So as we have discussed, the special shape of core that will generate magnetic flux that is concentrated in the gap in between pole pieces. So you can see here this is the magnet, and in this gap there will be strong magnetic field which we are generating. So this is how magnetic field that is getting generated by this electromagnet. The voice coil is placed in another gap, and audio signal will be given to voice coil. So based on audio signal, current will change in that audio signal or moving coil, and that change in current will generate change in force, and that change in force will result into vibration, and coil is connected with diaphragm, so it will generate voice of same frequency of sound. So this is the basic process which is happening in electrodynamic loudspeaker, where we have electrodynamic magnet. So this is the basic thing which we need to understand, and that we do it to handle higher power, and higher power could be handled only if we have electromagnet. By having permanent magnet, we cannot have strong magnetic field. So the basic working behind that is by using electrodynamic magnet, we generate strong magnetic field here. Now let us see the advantages. Now, as I have told, higher power can be obtained here by having this electrodynamic magnet compared to the permanent magnet. Now frequency response, if you see the frequency response, then that frequency response is bit better compared to the frequency response which is there with permanent magnet loudspeaker. And if you see the disadvantages, then first disadvantage, that is it has external power supply which we need to give it to field coil. So here we need external biasing power supply to the magnet, and that external biasing power supply that is not required in case of permanent magnet loudspeaker, but in field coil loudspeaker we need fixed external power supply which has to be given to field coil. And as we use electrodynamic magnet, so electromagnet that we use, and that is what heavy in weight, so resultant weight of speaker is even increasing over here. And if you see the cost, then that cost is very high. So basically cost is high, weight is very high, and we need external power supply. So these are the disadvantages. But on other end, you'll be finding it can handle more power, and you can use this for big audience, large audience applications. So let us see the applications which is available over here. So the applications are like, see, we can use it for public address system, and for large audience we can use this type of speaker. In seminar hall PA system we can use it. In seminar hall of large size we can have this